Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to talk about set difference. We would like to understand what are the numbers that are in set 1 and not in set 2. So here I'm having two sets, set 1 and set 2. Set 1 has three elements, 1, 2, and 3. And set 2 has three elements, 2, 3, and 4. So we would like to understand what are the numbers that are in set 1 but not in set 2. After checking the numbers in set 1, we can see number 2, okay, this one is here also. So 2 is in set 1 and also in set 2. Number 3 is in set 1 and it is also in set 2, but number 1 is in set 1 and it is not in set 2. So we are looking to find the numbers that are included in set 1 and not in set 2. Okay, so we see that number is number 1. But how can we understand it using like some coding or functions in Python? To do that, it's very easy. We type down the name of the first set and then minus or subtraction operator and then set 2. And this is going to calculate for us the numbers that are indeed in set 1 and not in set 2. And it is assigned to a new set called difference set. So then here I'm using the print function to type down the message difference using and this minus operator or sign, and here I'm typing down the name of the difference set here. There is another way to do it as well. The other way would be to type down the first name, the name of the first set, the name of the first set dot the difference keyword, and in parentheses we type down the name of the second set, and they are assigned, this is assigned to my new set that is called difference set. So, and we are typing the message saying that difference using the difference function or method, and then I type down the name of my set that I want to print its value. So when I run, I see number 1 is shown. In using both methods, we reached to number 1, showing that we did the correct calculation, because when manually we checked that, it was again number 1. So it is very important to know that this method is going to give us now the things that are included in set 1 and not in set 2. This is why the set 1 is first and then the set 2. Set 1 is first and then the set 2. If we want to understand the numbers that are in set 2 and not in set 1, we need to change the place of set 2 and set 1 in these equations. And these are two ways to find the difference between these two sets. And as you decide, it's your choice. You can go ahead and choose which one, whatever that you're comfortable with. And the other thing that I would like to mention here is that, for example, if I add one number here, for example, and when I run, we see that number 10 is now written here. Why? Because now I added a new value to my first set, and this value is not in set 2. So this is why I can see 1 and 10. So if I include 10 also here, and I recompile, I should not see 10 anymore here. So when I recompile, yes, we can see that only number 1 is there. Thank you for watching.